Welcome to the Preserve Plan at Hilltop and Inspiration, our active adult community in beautiful Douglas County. Let's take a look around. Enjoy a chef's-inspired kitchen with ample storage and a cozy cafe area for morning coffee. Step inside to a bright gathering room, perfect for everyday living or entertaining. Need a home office or hobby room? The flexible den has you covered. Your owner's suite is a peaceful retreat with plenty of natural light and a spacious ensuite. Step outside to the covered patio, perfect for indoor and outdoor living. The Preserve Plan, paired with resort-style amenities, makes this a thriving community where lifestyle meets comfort. Schedule your tour today.